Alright, Mr. Beast. The blurriest video I've ever taken in my life. Fuck, I can't even talk. Why? Thank you. Mr. Beast fucking crunch chocolate. I'm gonna try it. How is it? Let's find out. Alright. It smells like, goddamn motherfucking ass, Easter chocolate. Which, I think, isn't that cheap? I don't know. Alright, hold on. Okay, there's a perfect share. Fucking goddamn it. There's a perfect share piece. This shit's melting on my hands already. It's pissing me off, but I could try it. Alright, let's go. My fucking hand. It tastes like dark chocolate and Easter chocolate combined. It's milk chocolate though. It tastes like dark chocolate. It's not bad. I'll take another bite right now. It's not bad. Like I said, tastes like dark chocolate. This shit's $2 for the small bar, but I guess it's not too bad. I don't know if I'll get more. Maybe. There you go, Mr. Beast. Decent chocolate. I don't know if I'll go out of my way to get more. If it's around, I'll eat it. It's decently good. Yeah. Yeah.